everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an Eid makeup tutorial. So first of all, Eid Mubarak to everyone celebrating. I hope you have a great day. This video is going to be about me teaching you how to do a very simple but very pretty Eid makeup look. So without wasting any time, let's just get into the video. I have just washed my face. My face is all clean. Now we're going to start with a little bit of skincare because before doing makeup, it's so important to prep your skin up for the makeup. For my moisturizer today, I am going to use Minimalist Oat Moisturizer. If you're doing your makeup in the daytime, do not forget your sunscreen. I am filming at 7:30 p.m. so I am just gonna skip sunscreen. Next, I will move to the facial oil. So I will use this Nature's Tattva Rose Hip Seed Oil. I'm just gonna take like one pump of this. I will just let this sit for a few more seconds before I move into my makeup. It's been a few seconds. Face looks nice. Let's just directly jump into the base. I am going to be using L'Oreal Paris True Matte Super Blendable Foundation. I am in the shade Golden Beige, which is 3D3W. I will first just take like 2 pumps of this. This is almost finished. This much. Over this, I will spritz some setting spray. This one is by NYX. Just mix this with my foundation. Oops. Mix it up with my finger and apply it on my skin. With the help of the foundation brush, I will simply blend everything together. So this foundation has a pretty good coverage. You can also build this up very well. Okay, so the foundation is blended. This is how my base is looking. I'm just gonna come a little close and show you. Everything is not like fully covered. I can of course build it up if I want to, but I think I'm just gonna skip it. So for my concealer today, first I will use my favorite, which is LA Girl Pro. This is slightly peachy and looks a little yellow on my skin tone, but what this does is it corrects the darkness. So if you have like strong pigmentation, just go with a orange or peachy concealer or a color corrector and then apply your base. It will just help prevent that ashy looking base. To cover whatever rest is left, I will use a concealer which also does highlighting, and then it will cover like your entire face and gives you a beautiful coverage. So for that, I will use the concealer by Wet n Wild. This concealer is in the shade medium beige. So I will put it under my eye and also around my inner corner. Nose, forehead, chin, around my mouth. We'll blend this up. Can you now look at the difference? Highlighting concealer can actually change the way your base makeup looks. Now we're going to set our face, and for that I'm going to use a Swiss Beauty powder. This is a loose powder that I've bought very recently. It's very affordable but also works very well, in the shade 02. So let's just use this puff. I'm just going to take a little bit of this and push it under my eye. And I will let it set. With whatever's left, I'm just gonna dab it all over my face. So it's been a few seconds. I will just dust this powder. I will now do my eyebrows, and for that I'm gonna use this brow kit. I basically love this shade, which is like a light gray kind of a shade. It gives a very natural looking brows. Okay, so this is how my brows are looking. Now for my eyes, I will be using the e.l.f. Cosmetics Bite Size Shadow in the shade Pumpkin Pie. This is how it looks like. I will pick up this shade first and go right under my brow bone. I'll now take a little flatter brush like this, which is a slightly tapered brush. And I'm gonna pick up this shade, which is like the darker shade, and I will go very close to my lash line, and same thing for the lower lash line as well. That's it with the eyeshadow palette. Now I'm gonna move to the kajal. So I will use this K Beauty kajal pencil. This is in the shade 01. I will tightline my entire eye with this. And I will also go slightly below my waterline, like you can see for both the eyes. Same thing on the top, and you don't have to be very precise with this. because we're anyway going to smudge this. For smudging my kajal, I'm going to take this very small, precise brush. I actually feel like enhancing this a little bit, so I'm just going to take this black eyeshadow. Can you see the difference? I'm gonna do the exact same thing on this side. I'll highlight my inner corners also. I'm gonna use my Sugar face palette for my contouring. I'm gonna do very light contouring. Using the blush from the same palette. Before moving to my lips, I will first curl my lashes, coat them with mascara. I actually forgot to highlight my face. Since the eyes are the highlight of the day, let's just keep nude lips. So for the lips, I will use the MUA Luxe Lip Lacquer, which is in the shade Poise. And I will also use Swiss Beauty Lip Satin Crayon. This is in the shade Caramel. Okay, that's it for the makeup look. I will now change into a cute outfit and see you. That's all for this video. I hope that you have a great day. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit like and also share it with your family and friends. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye.